I'm parked on the side of the road here. So I'm just going to try to go from here. Oop. Okay. Well, that took long enough. Right now it has the max speed at 27. So the 40% is the recommended offset. I have it set to 10%, which also doesn't work because I also have my 8% or my 8 mile an hour offset hard coded. So I constantly have to change that. I don't know why it's not registering the center lane here. Okay, apparently I can't remove that. Apparently the supervise isn't working because it keeps nagging me. Again. Struggled on that turn there. Really struggling here. I almost tried to pass this merging vehicle. This car is dangerous. Alright, yep, slow down, don't hit it. you have the supervised section. Okay, speed limit is 55 over here, and it still had it set at 70 with no regard to the speed limit signs. I'd rather get off here or not. Guess it's not going to do that. Let's go up to 70. So now it's 65. But the vehicle still can't read these signs. None of the custom signs, none of the signs that aren't registered in that spot. I'll show some videos later on. There's a cone. Oh my god, is it even going to see it? Holy shit, it saw it. Yep, it's gonna wait. I would have went. That's way too long to sit there waiting. I want to see where it actually takes me. So we're here at Walmart. Shows that we're gonna go right. Alright. It's gonna go all the way to the end there. Oh my god. It parked badly. Very badly. Oh wow. Let's see what these cameras show. Over the line here. Well, it took me here. It did okay. I used to think that it was good at parking, given that it could actually see and go between the lines, but here it intentionally did not. And it's showing that it wants to turn here, so I'm wondering if that means it's still trying to turn, because I'm not parked, I'm not at a destination. It still says it's trying to take me somewhere. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, I don't know what it's trying to do. But I'm going to end the video here. That was to Walmart and back. Or just to Walmart, sorry.